Not all calories are developed equivalent. Different foods undergo different metabolic paths in your body. They can have vastly different effects on your cravings, hormones, and also the number of calories you burn. Here are the 20 most weight loss friendly foods on Earth that are supported by scientific research. 1. Full fat yogurt. Probiotic yogurt can boost your digestive system health. Think about including it to your weight reduction diet plan, but see to it to prevent products that contain added sugar. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil includes medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs) that might raise satiety after meals. MCT oil supplements are even more reliable. 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are really high in fiber, which loads you up as well as minimizes hunger. Because of this, they can be valuable on a weight loss diet plan. 4. Grapefruit. When consumed before meals, researchers suggest that grapefruit might reduce cravings and also minimize calorie intake. If you want to lose weight, it's worth a try. 5. Fruits. Fruits contain some sugar. You can conveniently include them on a weight loss diet plan. They're high in fiber, antioxidants as well as various nutrients that slow down the increase of blood sugar level after meals. 6. Chili pepper. Eating chili foods that contain chili peppers might decrease your hunger briefly and also raise fat burning. Nevertheless, resistance appears to accumulate in those that consume chili routinely. 7. Cottage cheese. Eating lean dairy items, such as cottage cheese, is among the most effective means to get more protein without dramatically boosting your calorie consumption. 8. Avocados. Avocados are a good example of a healthy and balanced fat resource you can consist of in your diet plan while attempting to drop weight. Simply make sure to keep your consumption modest. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Adding apple cider vinegar to your tossed salad may aid curb your hunger, potentially leading to greater weight reduction. 10. Whole grains. You ought to avoid refined grains if you're trying to slim down. Choose whole grains rather, they're much greater in fiber and other nutrients. 11. Nuts can make a healthy and balanced addition to an effective weight loss diet. Regimen when consumed in moderation. 12. Lean beef and also chicken breast. Eating unprocessed lean meat is an excellent means to increase your healthy protein consumption. Replacing several of the carbohydrates or fat in your diet plan with protein can make it easier for you to shed excess fat. 13. Boiled potatoes. Boiled potatoes are among one of the most filling foods. They're particularly efficient lowering your appetite, possibly subduing your food intake later on in the day. 14. Tuna is an outstanding, lean resource of high-quality protein. Replacing various other macronutrients, such as carbs or fat, with healthy protein is a reliable weight reduction strategy on a calorie-restricted diet plan. 15. Beans and legumes. Beans and vegetables are an excellent addition to your fat-burning diet plan. They're both high in protein and fiber, adding to feelings of volume as well as reduced calorie intake. 16. Soups can be an effective part of a weight loss diet plan. Their high water material makes them extremely filling up. Nonetheless, try to stay clear of velvety or oily soups. 17. Cruciferous vegetables are low in calories yet high in fiber and nutrients. Adding them to your diet regimen is not only a superb fat-burning method, however, might also boost your general health and wellness. 18. Salmon is high in both protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a good choice for a healthy weight loss diet. 19. Leafy greens. Leafed eco-friendlies are a superb addition to your fat-burning diet plan. Not just are they reduced in calories, however also high in fiber that assists maintain you really feeling full. 20. Whole eggs. Eggs are extremely loading as well as nutrient-dense. Contrasted to refined carbs like bagels, eggs can subdue cravings later in the day as well as might even promote weight loss.